What are you derelicts doing?
Fuck off.
Today's fun has been brought to you by Ching Chong Ping Pong.
I did dump some beer down.
I thought so.
Oh, my beer didn't even spill.
Nice. Neither am I.
Well, can't you just use the power window control to change the angle of the turbo?
What?
Just use the power mirror.
No.
No?
That's not gonna work.
That's
Crap.
gone, Ryan.
Oh.
There we go. No hog ring. Oh, that's even tighter now. Beautiful.
Mint. Clean,
Oh,
one
then
owner.
my-
Yeah, speed.
You thirsty? Where's my root beer? Nah, I want a root beer.
There's beer in the name.
Well, it's close.
That has roots. I think that's a bunch of beer from the exhaust.
Is that beer?
I'm pretty sure that's beer coming out of there. Beer and oil.
Well, today's your lucky day. You got the Jungle Arm Freak doing all the work.
Yeah. Get another beer then.
I'm pretty sure this is a Hood Delete 9000 here.
Pontiac Transport, hood removal.
That's most of it.
Whoa, whoa.
You gotta run over chain, you dick.
Cody, back in my day,
Quit being a pussy your whole life. Into the ketchup!
The piece just went over here. Something just flew over here. You scratched my wife's car.
Oh, look at all the room now.
I think we got the clearance now.
Yeah.
the chain stuff. You may have
Reach the lip of that.
You curve like that too?
A little bit. Not much.
Oh.
What are you doing, Wes? There's the man of the hour.
Oh boy.
God damn, that's like perfect.
Complete toilet. Once you're a mechanic, you're always a mechanic, right?
No. I mean, usually not.
usually.
Yeah, he's proven this very well.
You can't even put a piece of pipe in an elbow. I mean, come on.
Well, I figured I'd walk you fellas through this amazing engineering fabrication miracle here. You know, you start with the exhaust down low, welded right to the frame of the vehicle with a flux core welder, because, you know, that's awesome. Bring her on up to a wastegate that you don't even hook up. And then you go, you know, straight to the mirror-mounted remote turbo. You know, everyone does it. Bunch of self-tappers. We're good. All you need oil to the fucking thing. So, you open a fresh 5-quart jug of your favorite oil. Put her in the oil holder. Get some garden hose and some vinyl hose for the return. Garden hose goes into your utility trash pump here. Get more garden hose, because, I mean, you know, that's the ends it uses. Convert 5/8 down to 1/2 inch. Convert 1/2 inch down to 3/8. Put some aluminum foil on here, you know, make sure things don't get too hot. And you gotta make your own flanges, because they don't want to give them to you. And then you use a vinyl line for the return, which, I mean, goes right back to where the oil came from. Perfect. Oh, and then jumper cables powering it. And then you can't forget about the cold side here. You got only the best Lowe's stuff from the plumbing shitter section. Maxpeeding Rods, sponsored. Not really. And, oh yeah, and you just bring it right down and put it where the air goes on the mass airflow sensor. And then you run some jumper cables up in there to power the oil pump, which is self-tappered to the door. It's perfect. Okay? Works beautifully.
That was awesome.
She made boost.
That pulled way harder than it should have.
First impressions.
Oh, this thing's fucking awesome. We made boost.
Considering this was my van, I know it does not pull that hard off the line.
I wish it was on the road, because
Well, put some fucking plates on it and it will be.
Can you imagine if a cop sees this thing though? I'd just be fucked instantly.
Yeah, that's when it.
Just stays for YouTube.
You let Ryan drive and you won't be fucked.
Oh yeah, there we go.
Ryan will drive it.
What'd you say there, guy?
What do you think about this monstrosity?
Oh, best thing we've ever built. Hands down. I mean, come on. Can you engineer anything better than this?
Yeah, best sponsored content ever.
We should get a big Fig Newtons sticker put on this.
I made us a deal with Big Newtons. They're paying us a sack full of cash just to put this little sticker on your windshield, which means, baby, we're getting satellite TV for our new boat. How great is that?
Yeah, I guess it's okay.
He sold the windshield.
This sticker is dangerous and inconvenient, but I do love Fig Newtons.
Do you recommend this turbo so far?
Oh, for a Pontiac Transport minivan? Absolutely. I mean, mirror-mounted turbo is the only way to go.
Do you think you would have done something different if they, if you say had a complete install kit?
Yeah, we would have just made 4L60 soup. That's all. So, I mean, either way, it's a win-win. It's just, I got less stuff this way. That's all.
Fun as fuck right now.
Like shitter pipe.
Burnout.
He's going to be using it on his fucking bathroom here. We're just testing it out for him. Make sure it can handle shit.
Yeah, well, it's on.
This is the shit dyno right here.
At least
All right, I'm gonna do one run down the road quick, and then I know you gotta get going, Ryan. I'll let you do a pull after that.
You have your.
I have one good gear.
Oh, I know.
Guys, this is extremely dangerous, but I'm having a great time. What was that?
That was a third fucking gear burnout in this piece of shit. Well, fellas, I'm sure the phone doesn't do it justice here, but that's a pretty long two-wheel peel for a fucking bone stock minivan with a China turbo on it. And mind you, I'm not like, you know, reverse firsting or anything, you know, reverse bombs. I'm just fucking putting her in drive, loading up the boost, do a boost launch, and letting that brake go, and this is what we get.
Dude, that's like 100 feet.
Yeah, this is like a 100-foot fucking long burnout with this piece of shit.
That's a Cobb Job Deluxe fucking turbo install.
Ride with.
Well,
I'm gonna go horizontal.
this might be the last ride of this. This guy.
The Destroyer.
He's like Tony Angelo, just everything he touches fucking breaks.
Dude, on it.
Yeah, I was gonna say.
Still no oil leaks. Fuck yeah.
How are you? Oh, excited.
I'm just literally moving.
I know, but I'm gonna be here. Cause you never know. Literally moving might be a fucking nasty burnout.
Is it weird to be a little bit horny right now?
Majestic Jew. And they give us the fucking gas. Oh fuck yeah, I'm excited. Not sexually. Jesus Christ! Oh, my beer! Oh, that's gone. Hey, guy.
Hey.
You spilt my fucking beer.
Wow, you didn't hold on to it.
No! I have a cup holder. You fucking spilt it. Hey! I'm not fucking happy with you right now. You spilled my goddamn beer.
What'd you think there, Ike?
That definitely has some fucking go.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Pontiac, driving excitement, huh?
Yeah, I'm excited.
It's a race. Better hurry.
Ooh, that don't sound good. Ooh, that don't sound good.
Yeah, we broke something up here though. Oh yeah.
What?
Yeah, there's something broken up here someplace. It's like crunching, popping and shit. Like it's like turning.
Oh, really?
Yeah, that's pretty good.
So
I don't know if it's CV.
Oh, you're a good looking kitty.
30 miles an hour, the fucking boost kicks in, it just fucking pins you in the fucking seat. And unfortunately by then you're at the shift point of fucking first, doing 40, 45, but if the Kframe wasn't falling on this piece of shit, I think this would actually be a pretty decent little fucking sleeper here on the drag strip.
Yeah, sleeper.
Oh, I mean, yeah, you'd have to hide a couple things there.
Oh, let me just fabricate some metal over this. It's hide it. If the Kframe wasn't falling out, I would have been like, yep. It's bad. Like, it's only like 1 point, like, solid, really. Well, fellas, I gotta say I'm pretty impressed with the Maxpeeding Rods Turbo. Easy name to remember. Maxpeeding Rods Turbo here, and made this little 3.1 or 3.4, whatever the fuck it is, way great up, I'll tell you that. 30 miles an hour, this thing fucking pins you into your fucking seat. And I think we broke either the Kframe or Cvshaft. It's like starting to fuck up. I mean, it still moves. Probably do another couple pulls with it, but should be broken. And I gotta say, that little fucking motor there, we're feeding it all the boost. I never hooked up this wastegate down here. Like, see, no vacuum lines. Oiling system somehow worked out good. All this worked out great. Had a blast today. This is probably one of my favorite fucking episodes I've ever shot with these fucking guys here. Yeah, the next fucking episode, we'll take a look at the fucking computer, see how bad the fucking computer's going ape shit trying to make this happen, because I have not added any extra fuel to this. I haven't unlocked the computer to tune it, and nor have I added injectors to this fucking thing. So we'll take a look at that, and next episode we'll have it at the Mexico location part 2, where we can do a lot more stupid fucking shit with this thing. And if all pans out, I might reinforce the Kframe a little bit, and who knows, maybe I'll put this fucking thing on the road for 10 days and see how bad I can get in trouble with the fucking thing. But yeah, we'll be back for part 2 beatdown with this fucking piece of shit, and until then, remember, don't put your hands any place you want to put your fucking dick. Well, doing 40 miles an hour, I figured I'd show you guys the car, like what this minivan did today. It's a good fucking unit right here. Just over and over again. It was a good time.